back, you guys, to my channel. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, I did my eyebrows, primed my eyelids off camera. Today's video is going to be about what we got in our Jeffree Star mystery boxes. Okay, so I got two mystery boxes. I got the mini one and the premium. I wanted to get to, if you hear a beeping sound in the background, ignore that. The microwave is broken and does not want to shut up. But anyways, like I said, I got the mini one and the premium one. I wanted to get the deluxe, but the deluxe one had got sold out. I was actually waiting in line, and then it took me out of the line and it said that it was sold out, so I wasn't able to get it, but I was able to get these two. The mini one had 3 products and the premium had 5 products. So I have already opened them myself. I have not used them. I have not, you know, put it on or whatever. So the first one we're gonna go to is the mini box. And in this mini box, we have a pop socket, as you can see, which that's cute. And then we have 2 lipstick shades. So throw that out the way. So we got this one, which is hunting, I don't know. Beach. It's this like bluish color right here, very pretty color. And then in this one we got Human Nature, and it's, oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, that is extremely pretty, as you can see. Okay, so that was pretty much it on the first one. It only had 3 products in there. So now we're gonna go into the premium one, in which in this one, ooh, we also had a pop socket, which is already on my phone. We have a liquid frost. This is a liquid highlighter. This is in the color Ice Queen. And we have 3 lipsticks. 3 lipsticks, yeah, hire me. Okay, so Jeffree did mention that he had a mystery liquid that's gonna come out soon in his next launch or whatever. And obviously it doesn't have a name on it, but this is the one right here. It's the bit liquid lipstick was gonna be in the premium and in the deluxe box. So good thing I got a premium, because this is one of the lipsticks that will be soon in his next launch. Like I said, it doesn't have a name in it, but it's like a really pretty pink color. As you can see, you guys, at the bottom, let me see if I could focus this right. It has like a question mark. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has a question mark, obviously, because they don't have a name for it. So this is the mystery liquid lipstick, and this one, this is the Jeffree's Girl lipstick. And this is in the color, yeah, Jeffree's Girl. And this is how it looks like, and that is pretty fucking bomb. And it's like a pretty pink. It's so pretty. It's really pretty. And then this one, this is Can't Relate. This is another liquid lipstick. And this is like, I think, what? Like a, can't relate. Is this like a gloss or something? Or that's just the packaging? I don't know. This is just the lipstick. And the packaging, well, the little tube thingy, that is really pretty. It's really glittery. I love that. It's really, really cute. So that was in that premium box. So yeah, you guys, so we're gonna be using one of these lipsticks today. We're gonna be using the liquid highlighter. The rest of the lipsticks, I probably just actually, you know, I'll probably just, like, you know, swatch it out for you guys. Like, do one color and then do another color. So, but first, I'm going to need to do the eyes. Have a little makeup on. So, let's see. So, just because this video is all about me showing the mini box and the premium box, and it's only Jeffree Star products, I will be using the Jawbreaker Jeffree Star palette. So let me go ahead and do an eye look, and we could go ahead and do the swatches with the lipstick. So I will be right back. Alright, you guys, so I am back. I finished the eyes, added some lashes onto my face. Now it's time to go to the face. Did I say my face? Add some lashes to my face, to my eyes. I don't know what the fuck I said. Alright, so I'm going in with the e.l.f. Oil Control Primer. This. And I'm gonna go in with some oil mineral infused face primer. And obviously I'm just gonna add this to my forehead and my nose, because that's where I tend to get it really oily from. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, girl, you know. Oh, my eyes are really watery. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with foundation. So the foundation I'm gonna go in with is Bare Minerals. So I'm going in with some concealer. The concealer I'm going in with is with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. And this is in the color Medium Peach, which I think is extremely white for me. I wasn't paying too much attention. So I will just apply just a little bit. Obviously, I was not paying attention. Airspun and let that set for a little bit. I'm gonna let that set for a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with some bronzer, which is the Lisa Frank XOXO bronzer. Go ahead and set the bottom also, where I just contour. So let me go ahead and dust off the top. So let me go ahead and get my roller under the eyes and color that in. Oh, my allergies are so bad right now. Oh. try that out. That damn microwave is getting on my damn nerves. Okay. So let me dust this off at the bottom. Alright, so now I'm gonna get some blush. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild blush, and then we're gonna blush these cheeks up. And so I'm gonna get some highlight, which the highlight I'm gonna use today is the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost, and then this is in the color Ice Queen, and this is how it looks like, you guys. And it's like a little pump, so. Let me first shape this well. So before I even like put it on, let me swatch it for you guys. And this is how it looks like. Ooh, look at that. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. I'm just gonna do it with my finger and just blend that out. Wow. That is beautiful. I'm gonna put some on my nose, but let me just go ahead and touch liquid. Because liquid highlighter tends to dry up like really fast, so I prefer to like go ahead and blend that out first before I move on to the next one, because they tend to dry out really fast for me. I mean, that's my opinion. I mean, I don't know if it happens to some of y'all's, but when I use liquid highlighter, it tends to dry up really fast, so I try to hurry up. Okay, you guys, so I kind of want to go in with the mystery lipstick. It doesn't have a name to it, but supposedly from Jeffree Star, this was going to be in his next launch, which I'm pretty excited. So this is the color. It's like a really pink. I'm gonna swatch this out for you guys. So that's that one. That's that color. Let me swatch the Human Nature one on my hand. It's like a dark. Wow, that's a really pretty color, which is that second one right there, Deb. So that's the one we're gonna use right now. And I'll swatch the other ones for you guys. Oh, that's a beautiful color, and the color is so good. Yeah, this is the lipstick I'm going to use. This is not like a brown, this is like more like a purple, dark purple mixed together. So that's the one I'm going to use. And this is that lipstick. This is like, oh, you know what? Let me see if I could apply this one to the bottom. So yeah, this is color Can't Relate. So really pretty nude color. Let me swatch this one for you guys. And that's that third one I just swatched, which is over here. It's like really nude, so you won't be able to see as much. I hope you can. And the next one is this blue color. It's really pretty. So actually I already tried this one. And that is that one, that bright big one. And last one is this lipstick. These are the ones I just watched were liquid, but this is like a lipstick, a legit lipstick. So let me see, let me do a swatch for a second. It's like like a, be alright. It's really creamy. So that is that lipstick right there. This one was this one right here, which is called Jeffree's Girl. Okay, you guys. So let me finish this look. Let me add some setting spray and I'll be finished. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm pretty sure some of you weren't able to get the Jeffree Star mystery box. I wish I could have gotten the deluxe. I really wanted the deluxe, but you know, it's okay. I got these two, which was pretty fine. I really did enjoy what they had in there. They're really, really pretty colors, and you know, it's nice. But I really wanted the deluxe, but that's just fine. But either way, these colors are super, super amazing. Yes, they are matte, but God, it's not like cracky, because I know some matte lipsticks leave your lips like really, really cracked, and these didn't, which that's a good thing, because I don't like my lips being cracky. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Leave some comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Ooh, excuse me. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.